Hello everyone, welcome to Analyst Sultan. If you have ever struggled with website tracking or managing multiple tracking codes, you are in the right place. Today we will explore the foundation of Google Tag Manager or GTM. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what is GTM but also know how to create an account, work with its feature and get started like a pro. So let's dive in. Let's start with the basic. What exactly is Google Tag Manager? Google Tag Manager is a free tool from Google that helps you to manage all your tracking tags from one central dashboard. Think of tags as small piece of code that tell you website to do some things like track visitor, log clicks, or fire on Facebook pixel. Without GTM, you had need to add this code directly to your website code base, but with GTM you can manage everything from one easy to use interface, no coding required. This not only save time but also reduce error and improves collaboration between marketers and developer. So why do marketer, developers and business owners love GTM? Let's break it down. Time saving. With GTM, you can quickly add or update tags without waiting for developers to change the website code. Website speed. GTM ensures tags load efficiently so your website stays fast. Powerful tracking. GTM gives you the flexibility to track everything from basic page view to advanced user actions like button clicks and form submission. Version control. Made a mistake? No problem. GTM keeps a record of every change so you can easily roll back to a previous version. Simply put, GTM makes tracking smarter and easier for everything. Now let's set up to your Google Tag Manager account. Follow these steps. Firstly, need to go tagmanager.google.com, then click on create an account. Then give a name for your account. I give a name cycle store tags and then select your country, then checkmark this share data anonymously with Google and others. Now I need to give a name for web container. This is the web container name, then click on create. This is the Google Tag Manager terms and service agreement. Then click on I also accept data processing terms and required by GDPR, then click on yes. Need some times. Our Google Tag Manager account and web container create done. Now I want to create a server container, so go back again Google Tag Manager, then click on admin sections, then again click on container plus sign, then select on server, then give a server container name. This is my server container name, then click on create. Our server container create done. Firstly, I need to know what is tag, triggers and variables. So I will go back again Google Tag Manager web container. This is my web container. I need to know what is these are tags. These are the instruction you give to GTM. For example, a tag might tell GTM to track page view or add to cart, purchase, checkout, Google Analytics on Fire, Facebook Pixel. Triggers. These are defined when a tag should fire. For example, you might set a trigger to fire tag when someone click on a specific button or form submit. These are variables. This provides additional information to make your tags and triggers work. For example, a variables could be the URL of the space or the ID or a button. Together, these three components allow GTM to track everything do you need effectively and accurately. What are the workspace and versions? One of the most powerful feature is its workspace and versions. Imagine you are part of the team and multiple people need to work on GTM. Workspace allow each person to make a change without interface with others. What is the versions? Every time you publish change, GTM saves a version of your setup. This is like a backup, so if something goes wrong, you can easily roll back to a previous version. These features makes GTMs not only powerful but also safe and collaborative. How to grant access to GTM? If you are working with a team or agency, you will need to give them access to your GTM account. Here is how. Firstly, go to admin sections, then click on user management, then again click here add users, add the user email address, assign their role admin, editor, or viewer. That's it. Now they can help you manage your GTM setup. How to import or export container. Finally, let's talk about importing and exporting containers. This is especially useful if you want to reuse a setup across your multiple project. If you want to import container, then click on import container, then upload the JSON file, select the workspace and confirm these changes. If you want to export container, then click on your workspace, then click again export. Your JSON file will be exported and save it for future use. With this feature, you can save hour of work by using configurations. And that's complete introduction to Google Tag Manager. Today we learn what is GTM, why it's important, and how to set up first account and container. So we also explore key features like tags, stickers, variables, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and Sultan. Stay tuned for the next video where we will dive into advanced tagging and tracking setups. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.